Every healthcare system runs on processes. Some are clear and efficient. Others are inconsistent or unclear. When problems arise, it can be tempting to focus on individual actions and look for blame. But more often, the issue lies in how the process is designed. That's where process maps can help. Process maps are visual tools that help teams understand how work actually flows, from start to finish. They show the steps, decisions, handoffs, and delays that shape outcomes. And they create a shared picture of the system that everyone can see and improve together. There are several ways to map a process, depending on how much complexity you want to capture. The most basic or high-level map is a simple step-by-step map. It just shows the main actions in order. No decision points. No branches. This kind of map is useful for getting started or outlining straightforward workflows. A more complex version includes decision points, places where the process branches based on what's happening. Adding these decision diamonds helps capture variation and complexity in the process. And finally, you can build a swim lane map, which shows who is responsible for each step. This format divides the process by role or function, like front desk, nurse, provider, lab, and helps clarify handoffs, overlaps, and gaps between team members. You can make it horizontal or vertical based on whatever works best for visualizing the process. Each of these formats has value. Sometimes a basic map is enough to spot issues. Other times, you'll need more detail to truly understand where things are breaking down. The key is to choose the level of complexity that fits the purpose of your improvement effort. In the next set of videos, we will discuss how to use and build process maps in more depth. You don't need to be a designer to create a useful map. What you do need is a commitment to see the system clearly, listen to the people doing the work, and stay curious about what might be improved.